Do you want to get out on an adventure? Well, Nagaland is a land blessed with abundant natural beauty and warm-hearted people. So I, Isha Mahato, am going to tell you everything without sugarcoating and give you 100 reasons to love Nagaland.
Number 1. Initially, Nagas belonged to the Indo-Mongoloid stock, but the state of Nagaland was inaugurated on December 1, 1963 as the 16th state of the Indian Union. That means Nagas are utterly Indians. Number 2. Nagaland is a state in northeastern India that has 12 administrative districts: Kohima, Tuinsang, Mon, Kipire, Paren, Wokha, Mukokchung, Dimapur, Pheg, Longleng, Zuneboto and Noklak. Number 3. The Nagas are a Mongolian racial group. They are generally well tall, slim, reddish in complexion. They are not cannibals but humans like you and me. Number 4. The magnificent landscape of Nagaland, adorned with hills, mountains and forested vegetation, earned the title the Switzerland of the East. Number 5. Dimapur is known as the city of river people. Out of all the other cities in Nagaland, Dimapur is the most advanced and industrialized city. Number 6. Nagaland is declared as the falcon capital of the world by an international team of ornithologists, and about 1 million Amur falcon roost in Nagaland. Number 7. The Konyak people or the Nagas were known as fierce warriors who often attacked nearby villages of other tribes and took heads of opposing warriors as trophies to declare their victory. Number 8. Delicious ingredients of Nagaland food are bamboo shoot, akhuni, anishi, fermented dry fish. Number 9. Nagas have a healthy diet. Boiled vegetables are of course the dish of Nagaland. Whichever dish you might find yourself eating will always be accompanied by boiled vegetables. Number 10. Nagaland is famous for its Zuto, which is a rice beer that is made all over the northeast, especially famous in Nagaland, and is the main source of enjoyment for the people. Number 11. Unity is the motto of Nagaland state. Number 12. Not only Mithun is the state animal of Nagaland, but the design of Nagaland emblem is a circular seal with a dark Mithun bison standing on a green hilly landscape in the middle. Number 13. The tallest rhododendron in the world, featured in the Guinness Book of World Records, is found in Mount Zafu in Nagaland. Number 14. Mithun represents health, wealth, strength, stability and prosperity. Number 15. The bird life of Nagaland has approximately 400 species. Birds like great-pierced hornbill, myna, bites, tragopan, falcon, etc. tantalize the forest skies of Nagaland. Number 16. Naga has a diverse variety in species of bamboo used in construction of their houses, baskets, straps, hats, mats, walls, furniture, bamboo dish, plates, mugs, bamboo mugs and so on. Number 17. Agriculture is found almost everywhere in Nagaland, upon the hills and over the mountains. They practice terrace farming and zoom. Number 18. Nagaland is a good producer of rice, maize, pumpkin, iskos, Naga king chili, orange, pineapple, sugarcane, etc. Number 19. By nature, Nagas are music lovers. Number 20. King chili holds the Guinness record of being the hottest chili pepper in the world. Number 21. Dr. Tia was a legendary Indian footballer from Nagaland. He was the first contingent after independence to attend the Olympics in London at Wembley Stadium. Number 22. In Nagaland, two systems of civic administration had coexisted. They are Democratic Republic and Chieftain system. Number 23. Naga villages are economically self-reliant. Number 24. Even though Naga society is still a patriarchal society, women are truly respected in this region. Number 25. One of World War II's fiercest battle was fought in the capital of Nagaland, Kohima, known as the Battle of Tennis Court, fought between Japanese forces and British Army. Number 26. It hosts the Hornbill Festival, the festival of festivals. It is the land of festivals. Hornbill is considered the biggest. Number 27. One would really love to watch the war dances in Hornbill Festival, which is one of the main folk dances of Nagaland and is famous around the world. Number 28. The only state in India which showed decline in population of 0.47% between 2001 to 2011 census. Number 29. It is the land where one Konyak village situates in two countries. Longwa village in Mon lies on the international boundary between India and Myanmar. Number 30. Nagas practiced headhunting till the early parts of the 20th century. With the coming of Christian missionaries in Naga Hills, the headhunting culture came to an end and peace got promoted. Number 31. Dimapur Airport in Nagaland is the one and only airport to visit the northeastern states in Nagaland. Interesting fact about this airport is that it was built during the World War II. Number 32. Nagaland is one of the only 3 Christian majority states in India. Number 33. The Naga shawls have been a big symbolic of social hierarchy of the state. Each tribe has their own unique designs and patterns. Number 34. It is not a place with one tribe or language in particular. It is the home of the several tribes of India. Number 35. It is a home to 16 tribes. Ao, Angami, Chakisang, Chang, Dimasa, Kachari, Khiamniungam, Konya, Kuki, Lotha, Fom, Pochure, Rengma, Sangtam, Sumi, Yamchungre and Zeliang. Number 36. There are 60 types of different tribal languages spoken here, belonging to Sino-Tibetan language family, the second largest language family of the world. Number 37. Parin is the rich cultural bank of Nagaland. The Berrio village and Mount Pauna village are the major attractions in Parin. For a nature lover, Mount Pauna offers great opportunity to get a panoramic view of the valley below, which is blessed with lush forest cover. Number 38. Kohima War Cemetery was constructed in the honor of those soldiers who fought alongside British Army against Japanese in the Battle of Kohima during Second World War. Number 39. The economy of Nagaland is boosted by many industries, including cottage industry like weaving, iron, wood, canvas handicrafts, sugar, cement, brick and silk, etc. Number 40. There are 390 species of orchids and large variety of medicinal plants that can be found in Nagaland. Number 41. The weather or climatic condition of Nagaland is comfortable all through the year except in monsoon because it gets cold. Number 42. Nagaland issues an inner line permit to enter the state of Nagaland. It promotes safety of their own community. Number 43. Nagas are known for their beautiful colored attire which they owe to the art of weaving. Each Naga tribe has a set of shawls, mekhla, loincloth, kilt and vest. Number 44. All the Nagas celebrate the Feast of Merit. Most feasts were celebrated to appease the god or seek his blessings for health, prosperity and protection. Number 45. Many indigenous games are played by the Nagas, some of which are top spinning, cockfight, high jump, long jump and staking of stones. Number 46. Morung in Nagaland is a traditional bachelor dormitory system of Nagas. It is a pride of a village which is decorated with trophies of war and finest wood carvings. Number 47. Historically, Dimapur is the ancient capital of the Kachari system whose rule existed before the 13th century AD. Number 48. The Rangapahar Reserve Forest of Nagaland is home to many endangered animals and birds. Number 49. The Kohima Cathedral is the largest in entire Asia, was built with support from the survivors of those Japanese soldiers who lost their lives during the Battle of Kohima. Number 50. Khonoma Green Village is the birthplace of A.Z. Fizo, the father of the Naga nationalist movement. Number 51. The Blythe Tragopan is protected by Khonoma Nature Conservation and Tragopan Sanctuary. Number 52. The heritage village of Kisama serves as a window to Nagaland as it aims to offer a peek into the life and culture of the state. Number 53. Zuko Valley of Nagaland provides a panoramic view. Number 54. Meluri is a part of Phek district of Nagaland. Meluri is also known for its 2 lakes, namely Zudo and Shiloi. Number 55. Kipire can be reckoned as an awe-inspiring district in Nagaland, offering landscape views to visitors, an ideal place for adventure enthusiasts as they can indulge in activities like trekking, rafting and canoeing. Number 56. Nagaland has literacy rate of 80%. They give great importance to education. Number 57. Longling in Nagaland is the home of Phom Nagas who are considered exceptionally skilled in pottery, bamboo work and spinning. Number 58. Bandru is a village located in Parin district of Nagaland. Tucked on a ridge signifies ethnic tourism in Nagaland. Number 59. Mount Saramati is the highest mountain peak of the Purvanchal Himalayas in India. The eastern slopes from this peak divide India and Burma as the international border. One can see the Sagaing region of Burma from this peak. Number 60. Kohima, the capital of Nagaland, offers one of the best camping sites with excellent facilities and amenities. Number 61. Bike rentals are available in Kohima, Nagaland for a day trip and on a daily rental. Number 62. Shiloi Lake in Nagaland is a natural lake with scenic mountains surrounding in Nagaland. Number 63. Nagaland's official language is English and they are tourist-friendly people too. Number 64. Dhansiri is the river which forms a natural boundary between Nagaland and the North Kachar Hills, Assam. Number 65. Mokokchung is the most beautiful and lively district in Nagaland. It is the home of the Ao tribe. Known for its hospitality, rich traditions and festivals, Mokokchung is gradually becoming a hotspot for tourism in Nagaland. Number 66. Moatsu festival in Mokokchung is hosted by the Ao tribe who reside in a village called Chushiyamlang, which is situated on a hilltop. The view from here is simply heavenly. Number 67. Naga women are enterprising and dominant in majority of the families. They just don't sit at home, cook and wash clothes. They do so many other things like weaving baskets, raising a nursery and helping on farms. Women power in Nagaland is to be seen to be believed. Number 68. Although the region of Nagaland is less populated, the literacy rate in Nagaland is improving more than the other states of India. Number 69. Nagaland has the last surviving headhunter tribe. Well, the Konyak tribe is known for their ruthless traditions. The tribe used to cut the head of their enemy tribes during battles and store them as trophies. Number 70. Nagaland holds the record of the world's largest electric guitar ensemble. On January 2013, Nagaland made its name into Guinness Book of World Records with 368 participants at the Agri Expo ground, strummed to the tunes of AC/DC's song Knocking on Heaven's Door. Number 71. The Dimasa Kachari ruins is located in the town of Dimapur in Nagaland. The ruins are a series of mushroom-domed pillars that were created by the Dimasa Kachari kingdoms that ruled before the Ahom invasion during the 13th century. The purpose and origin of the pillars are mysterious. Few of the pillars stand in full glory, while others are crumbled down. It is also believed that a game similar to that of chess was played here with the mushroom-shaped domes. It is a glory of the Northeast and the tourism department of Nagaland. Number 72. Music forms an integral part of the culture in Nagaland, with genres like rock, hip-hop, metal and pop being the most dominant forms of music. Number 73. Nagaland is the only state in which the Department of Education promotes Naga heritage as a subject till 8th standard in government schools, comprising of Naga folk tales and Naga culture. Number 74. Situated in Zuneboto town of Nagaland, Sumi Bapti Church created history by becoming the Asia's largest church in the world. Number 75. More than 4,700 Konyak Naga women dance together at Mon Nagaland during the Auleng festival of the Konyak tribe to set Guinness World Record for the largest traditional Konyak dance. Number 76. With a production budget of 2.5 million, Nana, A Tale of Us, a Nagamese language drama film, was the most expensive Naga film to be produced at the time of its release. It has also won the Best Film in the Northeast category at Prague Cine Award 2021. Number 77. Tetsuo Sisters, a quartet of sisters from Nagaland, are devoted to the art and tradition of the vocal folk music of the state and have been performing on stage since they were children. They have also participated in many other countries like Bangkok, Thailand, Myanmar, Korea and many more. Number 78. Dimapur-based comedy channel Dreams Unlimited has officially become the first Naga YouTube channel to attract more than over 1 lakh subscribers and earned YouTube Creator Award. Number 79. Today's youths of Nagaland are westernized and their dress sense is so fashionable. Number 80. Nagas are huge fan of Korean cuisines and chopsticks. You'd find many Korean restaurants in Nagaland like Oppa Gimbap Kohima, Korean Uncle's Cafe in Dimapur, Korean Uncle's Cafe in Kohima, FIFA restaurant. Number 81. Only in Nagaland, thousands of young K-pop fans turn up to witness the pre-debut concert of South Korean pop band. Mont performed at the Hornbill International Music Festival concert on December 2018 at Agri Expo site in Dimapur. It was Mont's pre-debut concert in India and their first in Nagaland. Number 82. There are different languages spoken in Nagaland such as Konyak, Ao, Lotha, Angami, Sangtam, Bengali, Yamchangre, Chang, Khiamnyungam, Rengma, Ziliang, Phom, Nepali, Kheza, Hindi, Pochure, Manipuri, Sema, Assamese, etc. But everyone is united by language called Nagamese, English and Hindi. Number 83. After the Naga Hills district was formed in 1866, Dhansari river was made navigable by digging the banks to widen the river bed for the purpose of transporting goods from Golaghat upstream to Dimapur. Number 84. Cymbidium tigrinum is a species of orchid which was first discovered in Nagaland. Number 85. Women like Zuchobeni Tongyu, the stunning beauty from Nagaland who loves singing, with a stint at VLCC Femina Miss India 2020, co-powered by Sephora and Ropozo. She aspires to inspire people to embrace their flaws and to love themselves. Number 86. Setonoa chiam is the bamboo species which is found only in Nagaland. Number 87. Imcha Imchen from Nagaland, with the global recognition for his music, got featured in Apple Music's Top 100 Best Songs. Imchen is emerging to become one of Northeast's top artists to make a mark for himself in the global music arena. Number 88. Shiloi Lake in Phek district resembles the shape of a footprint and believed to be the abode of spirits by the locals. Number 89. The rolling green mountains and meadows in the districts of Zuneboto, Khifire, Phek and Tuinsang in Nagaland, blankets in snowflakes, fresh powder and snow. When life gives you snow, you make a snowman. Such seems the spirit of the people in Nagaland. Number 90. Nagaland Anime Junkies Confest is an annual cosplay event held every year in the month of July at Kohima, Nagaland. The 2-day festival is organized by the Nagaland Anime Junkies and is one of the biggest cosplay festivals in Northeast India. Number 91. In 2005, Tokhile Kikon became the state's first woman village council chairperson. The chairman of Naharbari Village Council, Kikon, is the first and the only woman to have ever held this kind of an elected post in Nagaland, which has over 1200 villages. Number 92. Jessica Snock AK is the first ever Naga woman to represent India and get crowned at the Mrs. United Nations World 2019 and first runner-up at Mrs. India Earth 2019 held at New Delhi in 2018. Number 93. Web series Dreams and Chaos, directed by Bandeng Walling, won the Best Web Series Award at Kashi Indian International Film Festival Awards held at Hansraj College in New Delhi on April 2021. The web series is adapted from the novel written by Senthilong Ozukum that talks about the essence, beauty and dark side of Naga society. Number 94. Kohima Mountains are the perfect place for campings. Under the stars, it offers one of the best camping sites with excellent facilities and amenities. Nagaland Tour Package provide breakfast and Wi-Fi facilities to the campers. They prepare barbecue dishes and beverages on demand near the campsite itself. Number 95. Istein Kire is a poet and author from Nagaland who currently lives in northern Norway. The majority of her writings are based in the life realities of the people in Nagaland in Northeast India. She has a PhD in English Literature from the University of Pune. She was awarded the Governor's Medal for Excellence in Naga Literature. Her poetry and books have been translated to German, Croatian, Uzbek, Norwegian and Nepali. Number 96. Avatsung Lake is believed to be the dwelling place of spirit god Lake at Mupungchuket village in Mokokchung district. Number 97. Thanamir village, a village located at the base of Mount Saramati in Nagaland, is known as Apple Village. Number 98. 7-year-old Sophia Livimi made her debut as the youngest writer from Nagaland with the launch of her first book titled My Adventure in Fairyland. Number 99. Nagas are very talented. They don't only focus on studies, but they are very creative in life. Moreover, there are many talented YouTubers coming up in Nagaland.
Number 100. One is sure to be thrilled by the love and hospitality, irrespective of social and cultural variations in Nagaland. In fact, many outsiders have already settled here. Nagaland is such a welcoming place. Now, are you ready to love Nagaland?